Hey readers, it's me, Miss Wenninger. Happy Monday. Today we are going to talk about story elements, and your independent reading and your reading response are going to just be one assignment on Seesaw. I want you to take your time with this. I want you to enjoy learning about the person you choose. So I'm just giving you this one assignment, okay? Now, today what we're going to do is we are going to use PebbleGo to learn about a really important person. And all of these people who are under the biographies on PebbleGo are people who were really active members of their community, which is important because that's what we've been learning about in reading and writing, right? Being a good citizen. Some people are activists, some people lead in different ways, but you're going to choose a person to learn about today, and then you're going to actually fill out this something like this. It looks cooler on Seesaw, and you can see it here on the board, or on the, whatchamacallit, on the screen, but you're going to fill out who's the person you chose to learn about, what is something important they did, when were they born, where did they live, and why do you think that they did what they did? Why do you think they were active in the community? Okay, what drove them to do that? So first, remember when we are going on to PebbleGo, we have to go through Clever. So you're going to click on the Clever app, and let me move this over, and you're going to scroll until you find PebbleGo. It's under literacy. Okay, you'll click on PebbleGo, and it'll bring you to this page. Okay, so we have animals, we have science, we have biographies, we have social studies, and we have health. Today, you are going to click on biographies. So if you look, this is a picture of Abraham Lincoln. You're going to click on biographies. There are so many different people you can learn about. Now, I want you to really focus on, let's see, on either, so we have,
African Americans,
okay,
American Indians, Hispanic Americans, history makers,
and if you go down here,
presidents and first ladies,
politicians,
or this one isn't speaking for some reason, but Supreme Court justices. Okay, now these are all really important people who've done big, important things, and you're going to choose someone to learn about. So I'm not going to listen to a whole story and have you listen to me listen to a story, but I'm just going to show you an example of someone who you might be interested in learning about. So I'm going to click on Supreme Court justices. And if you take a look here, there are a couple of really important people you could learn about. And these were really important judges. One is Thurgood Marshall, and another is Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, maybe you've heard about her. We talked about her during morning meeting one day, but she actually died recently. And she did a lot of really amazing things to help make the world a better place. So I'm going to click on her.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
And if you click on Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and she's who you'd like to learn about, you're going to listen or read the introduction about her early life, her life's work. That's going to really be your what, okay? That's going to tell you what did she do? Why is she, what was it that she did that made her an activist? What did she do that made her a good citizen, a good member of her community? You can learn about her later years and contributions. So those are things that she did, again, to make the world a better place. So you're going to choose a person, and you're going to read or listen, and remember to listen, you click on this button. You're going to read or listen to all of the tabs on the top, okay? All of the tabs on the top. And then you're going to fill out who, what, when, where, and why. I really want you to choose someone who you're interested in, who you'd like to learn about. So that might be, let's say, maybe you have American Indian ancestry. Maybe your family, maybe you're American Indian or Native American. You might want to choose somebody here if that's really interesting for you, okay? Like Sacagawea or Crazy Horse. And you could learn all about this person and learn about their life's work, okay? So it's really up to you. Choose someone who you're curious about, who you're interested in, and make sure you fill out each part of the activity on Seesaw. Happy learning!
Pedal
Bye, second
go.
graders.